أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون صدق الله العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Surah Maun is one of the surahs in the Quran that carries several important lessons. Number 1. Guidance on true kindness. Surah Maun serves as a guide for Muslims on the true essence of kindness. It urges believers to engage in the acts of charity and goodness, not for the sake of showmanship, but with genuine intentions, reinforcing the Islamic principle of sincerity in deeds. Number 2. Humility and good behavior. The surah encourages Muslims to embody humility and good behavior in their daily lives. It emphasizes the significance of treating others with kindness and respect, highlighting that even the smallest acts of goodness contribute to the greater well-being of society. Number 3. True Muslim identity. By stressing the importance of genuine acts of kindness, Surah Maun reminds believers of the qualities that define a true Muslim. It encourages a holistic approach to faith, where one's actions society but on compassion and mutual support. Number 4. Earning through righteous means. The surah underscores the idea of earning through righteous and ethical means. It discourages fraudulent or exploitative practices and encourages Muslims to seek sustenance through avenues that align with Islamic values. Number 5. Avoidance of showmanship. One of the key lessons from Surah Maun is caution against one's good deeds to gain praise from others. It emphasizes that acts of kindness should be performed solely for the sake of pleasing Allah and not for seeking validation or recognition from people. Conclusion to Surah Maun. Surah Maun, with its concise and powerful verses, provides invaluable guidance for Muslims seeking to embody the true spirit of Islam. Its emphasis on small kindnesses, genuine acts of charity, and humble behavior serves as a timeless reminder of the core values that defines a true Muslim. By internalizing the lessons of Surah Maun, believers can cultivate a society where compassion, sincerity, and selflessness prevail, contributing to the betterment of humanity as a whole. Let us strive to be genuine in our acts of kindness, earning through ethical means, and embodying the Islamic principles in our daily lives. Khuda Hafiz.